So I figured I would spare you guys the building of my actual nail. So they are built out. There is still some black on there, but I don't care because we're gonna take perfect black. Now I am going to kind of ombre this up, and I did that semi-quote because you'll see. So taking that black, getting a nice thin layer. Now I am gonna take an ombre brush and ombre it back, but I'm not gonna be too worried about it. Okay, so a little trick I like to do, I'm just gonna use gelish foundation. You can use a top coat, whatever type of clear gel you want to use. I'm just gonna give this a little wipe off on the side here. All right, so I stuck it through the clear gel, and I am going to just grab it up a little more. The sides are always the hardest for me. Okay. I do like to wipe off my brush a little bit just because I feel like it gets bunched together. Okay, I am gonna cure that. Okay, I'm going to go over the tip again and just like a third down. I'm gonna grab that clear gel. We're gonna work our way down. And then I'm gonna just do a little wipe off here. And I'm gonna just take my brush and go like this. So this is what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and do it to my other nails as well. All right, so I am taking this, which is a silver cat eye, and we're gonna start from the top and work our way down. I mean, you honestly could probably leave it like that. Because that looks pretty cool too. But I have a different idea. Okay. Okay, ready? Let's see if I can. Yes. All right. That's so stinking cool. That's why I said the ombre wasn't too important. I mean, you obviously want it to be relatively smooth, but again, it's not necessarily the end of the world. I still think it looks cool like that. But I don't think I was in frame for it. All right, here you go. Aren't these so fun? I'm obsessed. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I will make sure to have these linked below along with any discount codes that I have available for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.